Let's see how we can store a custom secrets in Secret Manager. This custom secrets can be anything like if you want to store some password, ID and password for certain databases which are not available in RDS or any other secrets which you want to store in Secret Manager, you can store as a custom secrets. Right now I'm in custom manager, like I'm in a Secret Manager. Here I'm going to click store a new secret. Now this is going to be my custom secret, so I'm going to choose uh, the other type of secrets here. I'm going to click the other types here. Next, I'm going to mention a key value pair. For example, I want to store some, for example, for this demo purpose, I'm going to store some name here. Name, some test name, I'm going to write some test name here. You need to mention the key value pair. So I'm just putting a key as name, the value is test name. And if I want to add another value, I can just add a country. And I will add a value as India. So this is my key and this is my value. So this is my first secret name and this is my second value country. So I'm encryption key. I'm going to use a secret default one, Secret Manager. Click on next. So next you want to give a secret name here. So you can choose any name here. Like for example, I want to give this in a dev environment. So I give a dev slash some custom secret. Description is an option. If you want to give any tags, you can mention all those tags here. I'm going to keep everything as it is. I'll click on next. So now is rotation, secret rotation. So if you want to change this secret key after certain time, you can you can choose this option. So based on your choose options, it will rotate the key. So for the time being, I want to keep as it is as a default one without any rotation. So in case of normal, it's a good practice to change the key very often. More might be once in 3 months or something like that. So for this demo, I'm going to keep as it is and give. I'm going to click next. So review this configuration. So this is gonna give me. So this is if you select this the rotation policy, then you will have this sample code. This will gives you like this will change this key mentioned in the rotation values. For example, if you mentioned this after every 3 months you want to change this, this function is going to execute and is going to change the rotation like key values. So right now I'm going to mention as default here, so I'm not going to use anything. It's going to be a default one. But if you want to retrieve this key, right, so you can use this syntax to view the secrets. For example, I'll copy this one. I'll just copy this code and we can execute this in a Lambda and see how we can retrieve the secrets. So this is we can store option. So now the secret is being created. Let me refresh this one. So now you see the secrets, dev custom secrets. If you go inside and if you click on this edit we receive secret value, this is going to display name, test name, country and India. So in this way you can see store your custom secrets in Secret Manager. But if you want to retrieve this custom secret in Lambda, let's see how we can do this in this one. I'll go and click Lambda here. Choose Lambda. So right now I'm in Lambda. I'm going to click on create function. I'm going to author from scratch. So I'm going to basic information. I'm going to give the function name. This is read uh, custom secret data for custom secret data. Then runtime I want to give this Python 3.7, and I'm going to remain as default as it is. Create function. Now it gave me a default pan with this code. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Secret Manager And the secret manager, you'll find the sample code here. I'm going to choose Python the code here. So I'm going to copy this one. I'm going to paste in this Lambda function. So like I'm going to use everything as it is. Only thing you need is the Lambda handler here. So I'm going to copy this Lambda handler here. I'm going to paste it in my in this function get secret. I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to remove everything at the top. So same code I'm going to use here. So other than that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this particular function to fetch the value, fetch the secret. I'm going to copy this and paste it here. So remaining things I don't need it. I just going to remove everything. So this is going to just I'm going to print this response here. Import statement. Next, I have the lambda handler. Then this is my secret ARN. So now you can provide this ARN if you like from the same one. Also, you can take the ARN provided over here. The region name also you can give the region name. Which region you are selecting, you can give the region name here. Or then the session board of the session we are using this session. Then the client. So board of the client we are going to use here. Client equal to session client. Then you're going to give the service name, secret manager. Then the region name you're going to give here. Then we're going to use client.secret get value. This will give you the secret value from the secret name, whichever you mentioned here, and you will get the response in this one. I'm going to print this one, the response in the lambda function. Next, I'm going to give deploy. So this is uh, gonna deploy. Next, I'm going to give click on test. Next, you have to give the event name here, custom secret. Secret. I'm going to go to shareable, and then I'm going to give save. So this is fine, but one more thing we need to see here is this role here. Go to the configuration and go to permissions. Then you have something called role, the role name here, right? The role you have to give this lambda function, the secret manager role. Go into that role. Why I'm in that particular lambda function role, that secret custom secret data role. Click on add permissions, attach policies. Here you need to give the secret manager secret. Type this, you will get the secret manager policies. Click on that, attach policies. So now this policy is being attached to that role. Now go here, click on test. Now you find the output here. Now you see the get the response back here. See the output. Now the name, you could see the name of the secret. Then if you go further, you will find the secret string name and the country. So in this way you can fetch the secrets from lambda. If you want to specifically see that value, what you can do is go into this one. Then you can do print of the get secret value from which you want the value from secret string, right? You can copy this one secret string and do is give the secret string in this value in this bracket. Test now. So now you see this will give the complete information. Next from that string, if you want first few, I mean certain portion, then you can use this one. Now you got the name as well as the country. Again, if you want to fetch for certain values, what you can do is again you can print use a print statement. Do a print. Sorry, print. Next, I'm going to take everything as it is here. So this now is kind of a if you see the type of this one is going to be a string, class of string. So I just demonstrated this one type of this particular one. Uh, as a string. So this is a string variable. Again, if you want to fetch this value, you need to convert this into a dictionary. So for that purpose, what you can do is you can copy this again. I'm going to convert this into dictionary. How we're going to do is I'm going to put evaluate function. This is going to convert uh, the string into a dictionary, and on top of that, I'm going to fetch the value this particular name. What is that name? It is the name here. Similarly, I want to print the uh, country also. Like yeah, next is country. I'm going to copy this country. I'm going to paste this one. Try this. Is this one. So now you see you could from the complete response you can fetch a certain portion of that secrets. Here I can choose. I've taken the secret test name as well as the country India in my output. So if you want this to be passed to your code, you can use this. In this way, you can take the value and pass it to your code. So in this way, you can create a custom secrets in Secret Manager and retrieve the same thing in Lambda function. That's pretty much for this video, and thanks for watching.